We just studied the sutram Shamityashtabhyo Ghinan. Anuvritti of Ghinan goes into the next sutram 32142, which is what we are going to take up now. It's a very long sutram, but actually a very easy sutram. That sutram 32142 reads as follows: Samprachanu Rudhang Yamang Yasa Parisru Samsruja Paridevi Sanjvara Parikshipa Parirata Parivada Paridah Parimuha Dusha Dvisha Druha Duha Yujakrida Vivicha Tyaja Raja Bhajati Charapa Charamushabhya Hanascha. The Vritti says Samprachadibhyo Ghinan Syat Tachiladishu Kartrashu. Of course, we are still in the adhikara of Tachila Tadharma Tatsadhukarishu, which started from 32134. So the sutram simply says, following any one of the verbal roots listed in the sutram, along with the upasarga, if any, which is given in the sutram, the affix ghinan may be used to denote an agent who performs an action because of his nature or habit or sense of duty or family tradition or skill, or he's good at doing that. The list is as follows. There are 27 items here. The first one is the upasarga sam plus dhatu pruch, which is pruchi samparke. Second one is anu, the upasarga anu plus rud, which is rudhir avarane. The third one is the upasarga ang, the ending ngakara being an it bahalantyam. So it's really a after anubandha lopaha. So a plus yam, which is yama uparame. The fourth one is ang plus yas, yasu prayatne. Fifth one is pari sru gatau. The sixth one is sam plus sruj, sruja visarge. The seventh one is pari deva, devru devane. Eighth one is sam plus jvara, which is jvara roge. The ninth one is pari plus kship, which is kshipa prerane. The 10th one is pari rata, which is rata paribhashane. 11th one is pari vada, which is of course vada vyaktayam vachi. The 12th one is pari daha, daha bhasmi karane. The 13th one is pari muha, which is muha vaichitye. The 14th one is just dush without any upasarga, which is dusha vaikritye. The 15th one is dvish, which is dvisha apritau. The 16th one is druha, which is druha jighamsayam. The 17th one is duha, which is duha prapurane. The 18th is yuja, which is yuja samadhau as well as yujir yoge. The 19th is ang plus krida, which is kridru vihare. 20th is vi plus which is vichir prithak bhave. 21 is tyaj, which is tyaja hanau. 22 is ranja, which is ranjarage. So here in the sutram, Panini has said raja and not ranja. So what that means is that the anunasika lopaha, the nasal of this verbal root, should be dropped when we add this affix ghinan. So we get the form ragi. We get the form ragi because in the sutram Panini says raja and not ranja. So that's an indication from Panini that we should drop the nakaraha, this anunasika which has come here, that should be dropped. So we get the form ragi. So that's one note on this dhatu. And continuing now, the 23rd is bhaj, which is bhaja sevayam. 24th is ati chara, which is chara gatyarthaha bhakshanecha. 25th is apa chara, which is chara gatyarthaha bhakshanecha. And 26th is a plus mush, which is mushasteye. And 27 is abhi ang hana, abhyahana, which is hana himsagatyoho. So following any one of these 27, this affix ghinan may be used tachila, tadharma, tatsadhukarishu. Let's just take just one example here, which is tyaja hanau. So tyaj plus ghinan by this sutram 32142, because Panini specifically mentions tyaj in that list of verbal roots, which is number 21 in our list. So tyaj plus ghinan anubandha lopaha by upadeshe janunasika it ukarasit sanya halantyam nakarasit sanya and lashapkatadite ghakarasit sanya tasya lopaha. So tyaj plus in. Now at this point we apply the sutram chajoho Anku Ghinyatoho, which is Sutram which we have studied. So it's a good opportunity for us to use this Angakaryam which we have studied. So 7352 is that Sutram. So the ending Jakara of Tyaj gets the Kavargadesha, which is the Tritiya Varna Gakara. So we get Tyag plus in by 7352, and then we use Ata Upadhayaha, which is 72116. So we get the Vriddhyadesha in place of the Akaraha of Tyag. So we get Tyagin. And Tyagin gets a Pratipadika Sanya by 1246. Krit Tadhyata Samasascha. And we decline it. Pullinge Prathama Ekvachanam, we get the form Tyagi, which of course we have done many times, so we won't go into those details again. So this is the Sutram, which is a long Sutram, but really a simple Sutram otherwise. It just simply says that following one of these 27, the affix Ghinan may be used in the sense of Tachila, Tadharma, Tatsadhukarisho. Some of these are very well known forms, like a form like Tyagi, Ragi, Drohi. All these are well known forms, so it is good to remember this long Sutrams. If you see the affix Ghinan being used, come into the Sutram and see if you can spot that verbal root in this list.